A couple of days back, I had my birthday. I don't usually celebrate it now that I'm quite old. I'm not so happy about the birthdays, they come so quickly. But anyway, my wife, she surprised me with a gift. It was something that I was planning on buying, and I was saving for it in fact. But she surprised me, and here it is. It's a new GoPro 11 Black Hero. Oh yes, I forgot to unbox this. I ripped this open off camera, but I haven't taken it out yet. So let's see what we have here. Yes, it comes in a lovely case. Let's unzip. And here we have some documentation. The camera itself is Type C to Type A to Type C cable. Some attachments, thumb screw, the battery, and a mount. That's all. So let me put in the batteries, charge it up, and then do my motovlogging setup and have a test motovlog, and we'll see you later.
2,000 years later.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So trying out my new GoPro motovlog setup, going for a short ride with Gautam up ahead, and Deep Bodua, whom we met earlier on a Mafandu ride. He'll be joining us later. Welcome back. So we are on the outskirts now on the Chandrapur road, and Deep Bodua has finally joined us. So there he is ahead with a maroon shirt, and Gautam is further ahead. We are three together, all three of us now, riding through this shaded road, shaded by those trees. I wish all the roads were like this during summer, but meantime, enjoying driving in the shade. Though it's November, it's quite warm in the sun. I think there's an overbridge on the construction. Should be improve things around here, because this railway crossing makes quite life difficult once the train comes and there's a big traffic jam. This road goes to Chandrapur. There used to be a hydroelectric power generation plant of ACB a long time back. My uncle was posted there, and I used to visit there sometimes when that was a long time back when I was a boy. And now it's defunct. It's not working anymore. And further ahead you can go right up to Pobitora and Wildlife Sanctuary, where we have lots of rhinos, obviously. And then before Pobitora we reach a place called Morigaon, which is famous for its black magic arts, the so-called black magic arts that used to be there in the ancient times. Some people still follow, it seems. Some people still believe, and they are free practitioners even now. Once upon a time there used to be a man-eating leopard in Chandrapur. When my uncle was posted there, I remember he's taking my father's guns to protect themselves in case they attacked. But they were quite protected because there was a whole colony there. And this man-eating leopard was caught by the forest people and was kept in the zoo, Guwahati Zoo. and was famous as Chandrapur Baghini. Baghini means tigress, but leopardess. We call in Assamese leopards also baghs, and tigers are called Dhekiapotia Bagh, and these leopards are called Naharfutuki Bagh. So there's a bit of a difference, but the common name is Bagh. Anyway, I suppose Bagh refers to, loosely translated, may mean big cat. I wonder where is Gautam? It's taking so long to come. Can't see him in my RVM. Yeah, through the trees again. Cool trees cooling my road, making the ride so fine and easy. Don't sing. You're a lousy singer. You can't sing. But I love this tunnel of trees, the green tunnel. So we come to the end of the tunnel of trees, the green tunnel, and I still can't see Gautam in my RVM. Is it here? No, he doesn't know. Okay, he's stopping. Okay, so Gautam has gone ahead. We had stopped from here, stopped for him to catch up. We told him to go ahead. He didn't stop for a second. He just zoomed off. Is that Gautam up ahead? Yes. Let me catch up with him. There is Gautam. Yeah, this was the what river? Shit, I forgot the name. So this river joins the Brahmaputra over there. This is either the Digaru or the Kolong. We are not very sure. Wow, just look at that. So the place we are going to is called Chanaka. Sunday market crowd. This place name is called Govardhan Bazaar. Now we have to turn left or right somewhere. I guess Gautam knows the place and he'll be waiting for us at a turn. Now where is Gautam? And where is Deep? Forest to the left, forest to the right, going to in the middle. Oh, teak forest. I guess I should slow down and let Deep catch up. Sorry, how come Gautam is coming from behind me? Yeah, Chanaka picnic spot. Yes, that's where we are going. Chanaka, C-H-A-N-A-K. It's a picnic spot. Okay, okay. If we keep going, we'll be reaching Morigaon and Pobitora soon. It's not very far. Paddy fields on both sides. The hill to the left. straight to Pobitora, and here we turn left for Chanaka. So I think this road will take us to the riverside, going through a village. We have crossed Morigaon and almost into Pobitora before we turned left at the turn, where I switched on the camera. So there are resorts here too. Okay, Mystic Morigaon. So we are in this Morigaon area. Black magic stuff going on here. To Chanaka. Okay. Oh, big dumper. Phew, dust. It's a dusty fog. Okay, ZTH and readers, I guess you know what I said. Look at those rocks. Oh, we're going up the hill. Down the hill or to the other side near the river, is it? The suspense is killing me. No, we're not going towards the river, we're turning away. Oh no, maybe we are not. The river just has a turn. Oh, look at that huge boulder. Did it fall, or did the road crew cut through it? I mean, we both. Rocky Mountain high, but this is not high, and these are not the Rocky Mountains of the USA. These are just rocky hills, and big ones at that. What's that up ahead? Some kind of tourist attraction. People sitting with tents and all. Is this where? No, we're going between rocks.